Hi, my name is Alexis, and I am going to be talking about how the heart pumps and how electrical signals are conducted through the heart. And then I will also be talking about an ECG and explaining that. So this is what I drew. We have the SA node, which is a sinoatrial node. It's known as like the pacemaker. That's right here. We have the atrioventricular node, which is the AV node, and that will be right here. And then we have the atrioventricular bundle, which is known as like the bundle of His, the AV bundle. That will be right here. And then that leads down to the Purkinje fibers, the bundle branches. So first off, and the SA node is special heart tissue beneath the epicardium, and it's often called the pacemaker, like I said. And then the AV node is a special heart tissue made of conducting fibers. The AV bundle is a group of large fibers, and the Purkinje fibers is fibers down the apex of the heart. So first off, we have fibers, each beat begins in the right atrium with an action potential signal of the SA node. So the SA node creates an action potential. This signal spreads between both atria, causing the muscles cells to depolarize and contract. This causes asystole, systole cells, and it also will cause asystole, systole. And then when the signal leaves the atria, it will enter the ventricle of the AV node, which that will be right here. And then once it enters this ventricle, then it enters the bundle of His and Hers and spreads through the bundle branches and the large diametered Purkinje fibers and along the ventricle walls. And then, so it will travel all the way down here through the AV bundle and to the Purkinje fibers to be spread against the walls. And then once that happens, as the signal spreads through the ventricles, the contractile fibers depolarize and contract very rapidly, inducing ventricle systole. As the signal passes out of the ventricles, the ventricular walls start to relax and recover, known as ventricular diastole. And this repeats with every single heartbeat. So all of this restarts. So then the action potential will spread down and go to the walls again through the steps that I just said. And so then moving on to an ECG. An ECG is an electrocardiogram, a recording of the electrical events or changes during a cardiac cycle. So literally what I just said can be explained through this. And so then the P wave is the depolarization of the atria, the atrial contraction, systole. And then the QRS is the depolarization of the ventricles, the ventricular contraction systole. And the T wave is the repolarization of the ventricles. That's it. Thank you for listening.